It's 6:20 and today I'm off to a car show with some mates. Welcome to the channel. This is Mark II Golf Stories. So let's go. Okay, here we are. Got Stroudy with me. Say hello, Stroudy.
Hello. Hi, morning. Oh.
Ooh, squeaky.
That was a good start.
So this year we're off to Shedfest again. And lads, if you're going to use my video in your promo, at least credit me this time, all right? And everybody else.
I'm Adam saying welcome to Shedfest.
Shedfest.
Here we are, Shedfest.
We're off to Shedfest. Right, let's go. Okay, made it down here okay. Shedfest is looking good, the weather's looking good, some sweet cars. First thing I need to do, a quick inspection, check that nothing's fallen off it, because when I got here, the ignition barrel came out on my key.
So we're stuck here.
Oh dear. Be fine, I'm sure.
A tow rope?
Anyway, let's have a little look around, check the state of the car. Still got my GTI badges, still got my side skirt, although it is looking a bit loose down the back. Jim's really made it down. Some sweet looking cars here. So how about we go and take a look around, see what there is, eh? So we've been here a couple of hours, well, a couple of hours now, I don't know, an hour or two. What do you guys think so far?
Really good, yeah.
Cool.
So much
Chilled, isn't it?
different cars. Amazing.
like, James?
Everything, especially that. Well,
It's a bit special, isn't it? Nice.
V8 Monaro over there.
Absolute stunners. James's R53 Mini. Opel Mantra. Sweet-ass Nova. What are these called? Firenze? Pretty sweet. Thought it was a Capri at first. This is properly cool. Dan, I know you'll like this. Wicked. Just spotted a VR6, and if you haven't seen it on my other channel, I did a video on a VR6 the other week. These things are wicked. I don't remember having this roll cage in it. Oh yeah, he had these seat belts. Yeah. That's right. Yeah. Now see this here again, looks like it's done a bit of work on it since last time. That's new. Pretty sure these seats and this harness is new as well. So we're just walking up past the side of the sprint track, hoping to catch some cars. Absolutely sending it a little bit. What's all going on here? We've got bands, we've got talks. Very cool, nice setup, much cooler than last year. Here we go.
Yeah. That we've got to do that you just wouldn't expect. Yeah. Like a detailing problem.
Cheers, mate. There we go, we've got the Overgear, smallest bar in the world. Very cool. So as well as this, there's also this monstrosity. Do you remember this from their channel? This is the coolest though. Okay, yes, so here we are at Shedfest in the beautiful grounds of Bolesworth Castle. Not sure if you can see that over there. Next to the sprint stage, there's music going on. I think we've got a car coming through now. Been before, it's a new location. New Shedfest.
Oh no!
With the lifted NB MX-5. Well, that rolls. Holy moly, that rolls. Yeah, fair dues, I wouldn't have thought. Loading it up nonetheless.
That is a thing of beauty, as is this. I think the E-Type's got to be one of the most insane and gorgeous looking cars ever created. This is immaculate. Should have bought ND filter. Nice Mercedes here, left hooker. It's very strange on the boot. Presuming this is some safety thing which is required in some European countries. But yeah, that is pretty immaculate. Let's have a G60. What do you guys think? G60 or VR6? 16 valve? Let me know what you like. Incredible. Not sure it's coming out on camera, it looks really good. All the cars I've got in the main area are cool. but I think the bread and butter of these things is definitely the sort of show cars. Mark 1 cab. Oh, Lupo GTI, look at this. Like a lot in there. Wow. Renault Clio Sport. Cool little things. Another Mark 1 with prime, beautiful example. Friends, James. Another 106 Rally. Very cool. Tiny little wheels. Awesome. This thing's done a sprint race a few times. Just spotted a Golf Rally, so let's go over, have a little look around. See yet another fine example of a Corrado. That's very nice, but this is what I want to look at. Absolutely incredible. Of the wide arches on these, this looks so mean, so aggressive. But absolutely love one. Supercharged beasts. That's full Capri. I could have had one of these when I was younger. Black. Cool as fuck. Oh wow. Phaeton. BW's flagship model for many years. Completely undersold. Luxury masterpiece. What do you guys think of these? Damn, that is cool. I've seen this Rover at a few shows in the past. Beautiful car. How cool is this? Completely missed this guy doing donuts before, but what a piece of kit. If you guys like the look of this, we've got Jamie doing an interview for the channel next week, and we've also got him on our Dubs Not Dubbers podcast. Drop a subscribe and head over to Apple Podcasts or Spotify and drop a follow there. What are you running in this?
It's an M50 D25, so it's the same engine. What's in that E36? Oh, with a turbo.
How cool is this? And of course, oak green Valva. Always beautiful. One of the best colours GTI's coming. What do you think? It's got Land Rover headlights in it. It's the same colour as what we had. I had Steve. Do love a bread van. Would love another one. Anyone's selling one super cheap, let me know. Well spotted, James. That is not an original engine. Wow. Aha, I've been looking for this. This is Project Vinny on Instagram, owned by Carl. Yeah. Carl, if I don't see you, found your car. If I do see you, we'll have a chat about it, which will be on my next episode. How cool is this little guy? That is cool. Look at this. Awesome. Now tell me you don't love a Mitsubishi Evo 7. These cars, these and the Imprezas, WRXs, are two dream cars of mine, as well as an E30, absolutely gorgeous. And of course, Mark II Golf. These are beautiful. I would absolutely love one of these. Another Mark II. Got a few spare parts in the back. It's done good. Some more 80s classics. Audi 80. These are cool cars. I do believe this might be, is it Megan's? Yep. Very cool. Nice.
More JDM royalty. The twins are back. With a fantastic ratchet as they pirouette into the drift zone. Beautiful white clouds of smoke. Oh, one of them's decided to go the other way. This could be interesting, as visibility is at a premium now. Imagine wearing a helmet and a balaclava, and there's 10 gallons of Pirelli P0 flooding through the cabin. Getting a bit close to the commentary box, if I don't mind. The camera's phenomenal on those front wheels, helping it slide around our zone. Umpteen time today, feathering the throttle, making those glorious V8 soundtrack. It's the Mark 1 MX-5 again. Coming in hotter than ever this time. Yeah, he's overcooked it a bit, but he's got it back. Front brakes working overtime there. Swinging into the left, lifting the back wheel. Oh, and into the grass. You can give it another go. We didn't see it, don't worry. All the revs to get it going. And into the hay bales. Very well done. Bit of wheel spinning and lifting a rear wheel again. Round of applause, Edwin. New exhaust fitted, rear window deleted, so you can hear that V6 scream. Oh, bit tail happy. Oh my word, the power from this TVR V6 is phenomenal. Bear in mind this car's done 155,000 miles with one owner, believe it or not. Oh, and he missed the cone spectacularly. Edwin did a cracking job. Full race overalls this time. Yep, giving it another bash to go sideways. I didn't think he was, but he is. Wave to the driver as he's waving to us. One-handed, fair dues.
Let's just see if my key works in my ignition.
Oh yeah,
It's really hard to get in with one hand this way, backwards. The ignition comes on. Hey, well done. Well, there we go. That's the end of Shedfest 2026. Cheers to Nick for some of his awesome camera work. Cheers for Stride for his entertainment on the way down, and Mr. Sunglasses as always, been excellent. Until next time, see you all again soon. Give us a like and subscribe. Bye bye.